Hello, my name's Lowri Walton and I work for LEGO Education. I work in the competitions team and we deliver first LEGO League across the world, currently in around 110 countries. First LEGO League is a global STEM and robotics competition for children aged 4 to 16 and is about inspiring young people and children into STEM, robotics and engineering careers, but also about developing key habits of learning that will help them in their careers but also in their lives. I work as a partner manager. We're currently in around 110 countries around the world, and in each of those countries there is a partner that delivers First LEGO League. My role is to work with certain partners. My regions include Latin America, Southern Europe and Russia, and I support those partners to deliver First LEGO League in their countries. As you can imagine, that work is pretty varied and really depends on what the partner needs. I can really be dealing with things around different governments, departments of education, imports. There really are different cultures that exist within those countries, different currencies. It really depends on what that partner needs at that time, and it's very, very varied day to day, and the work can change a lot, which I really love about it. My route into this role is not something I guess expected. I worked as an actor for a very long time, and that was always my goal throughout my life and my childhood. And one day I got a temp role at a charity, an engineering charity called the Institution of Engineering and Technology, to work with a programme called First LEGO League. I ended up being in that at that place for 4 years, working through different roles. I started in admin and I ended up managing the programme nationally. And then the role for LEGO came up, and I was really lucky to get that role. So I guess what I'd say is, on paper, I certainly don't have the qualifications, or the academic qualifications certainly, that you would expect in this role, but I really have just made the most of opportunities that I've been given, worked hard in those opportunities, and then said yes when I've been offered something. And I think that's the main message that I'd say is, it's so important to say yes to those different opportunities and make the most of them when they appear, because you just, I know it sounds so cliched, but you just never really know what might happen. You never know what people you might meet and what skills you'll develop. And it's really been life-changing for me. First LEGO League is just such a wonderful and inspiring competition, and it's such an important part of what is out there for young people, and I feel really privileged to be part of it. So yeah, I think what I'd say is always say yes. Don't not do something because you think you might not be good enough, and make the most of opportunities when you're given them. Thanks so much. Bye.